I really feel like stretching today. So the good thing is I choose what kind of videos I make. So let's get started while sitting, and then we lay down in a while, but you won't have to stand up. So it's all in sitting and laying down. Ready? Let's go. Inhale, lift your arms, look up. Exhale and release. Inhale again. And exhale. Place the hands on your shoulders and then just circle the elbows. Bring them to the front. Close the arms if possible. And then open. Change the direction. And release. Drop the right hand to the side, lift the left arm high. Stay here or come further down and drop the forearm on the floor. Keep both seating bones on the mat. And then stretch over your knee, place the hand down. Feel the stretch in the side of your body. And if you want, you can drop the whole upper body on your leg. And if not, you can just stay here. As long as you feel some stretch, pressure is always good. Pain, not good. And slowly come back. Inhale, lift the arm, come to the other side. Feel the stretch on the side. If you want to go further down, go ahead and do this. And then lean over your leg. Place the head down. Drop or just stay up here. Slowly come back. Open the legs as wide as you can. And then place the hands behind you. Lift your hip and push the hip a little bit further to the front. You should feel that the stretch becomes a little bit more intense. Pull the toes towards you and then just stay here for a moment. Get ready. And then you bring the hands to the front and slowly walk towards the front. If you can drop down the forearms on the floor. Or just stay here, feel the stretch. If you're super flexible, you can lay down all the way, bring your body on the floor. Breathe, feel the stretch. Slowly come back. Now lift your arms. Inhale, and with the exhale, you come to one side. As far as you can. If you can reach your leg, then drop down on the leg. If not, you can just stay up here and hold. Keep the chest open towards the front. Inhale up. Exhale to the other side. This is a gallbladder meridian stretch, which helps release stress. Might not feel like this at the moment for you. Inhale, come up. And release. Very good. Bring the left leg in. And then inhale. Exhale, drop the right hand on the left knee and the left hand behind you. Twist to the back. Look over your shoulder. And release. And then reach towards your foot. If you can grab it, grab it. If not, grab the leg. And reach to your foot. Look at your toes. I have a question. And I would like you to reply in the comments below to me. Would you be interested in learning a bit about the yogic lifestyle, or like food, what food to eat, or Ayurveda? Are you interested in learning a bit about Ayurveda? It's all part of yoga. Yoga is not only asanas or the stretching here, you see, it's a lot more. So I wonder if you would like to learn more about that. Let me know, please, below in the comments. Thank you. And release. Change the leg. First, inhale. Place the left hand on the right knee and twist back. Look over your shoulder. Breathe. And release. Inhale again. Exhale, reach towards your foot. Grab the foot if you can. Look at the toes. That's always the moment when I realize I need a pedicure. This is always so mean in yoga. Feel the stretch, breathe. And release. Touch the soles of the feet. Bring the knees down. Just sit here, upright. Knees down towards the floor as low as you can go. If you need support, if you can put some weights on here to push them down. And slowly release. Now roll on your back. Bring the right knee towards your chest. The left leg is on the floor. And here you straighten the right leg as much as you can. Straighten it. And then you want to try and bring it closer to you. You can also grab your toe and pull it closer towards you. From here, you can bring the leg to the right side, put it down on the floor. If this is not available for you, then just bend the knee and bring here the leg to the outside. Yeah? And if it's higher up, you can put some support underneath. Choose. Breathe. Bring the leg back. When it was bent, straighten it one more time here. Pull yourself up with the forehead towards your knee. And release. Change the side. Straighten the right leg. Bring the left leg to your chest. And then straighten the left leg as much as you can. Hold here. And then the next step is you bring it closer towards you. And you can also grab the toe and pull it more towards you. Keep it as straight as possible. From here, if you have the space, bring the leg to the left side and drop it down on the floor, or just bend it and put it down with a bended knee. And then bring the knee back to your chest, straighten it one more time, pull yourself up and bring the forehead towards your knee. And release. Roll on your belly. Place the right arm to the side. So, long to the side. This is the first option. It's the stretch we're going to do is more intense when you place the arm in a 90-degree angle. Yeah? So that's what I will do. The left hand comes next to your chest. And then you lift the left foot, lift the left leg, and step back towards that arm that's on the floor. And I'm somewhere here in my shelf. So you want to feel the stretch in your shoulder. Keep the head on the floor. Stay. Release. Change the side. Lift the right leg and step towards your arm. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. And release. Bring both legs up. If you can, grab your legs or your feet and lift yourself up. And release. Hands next to your chest. Lift up. Push back into child pose. And now place the hands behind you so the shoulders can relax on your legs. Slowly sit up, hands behind you, interlace the fingers. Now turn the pinky finger towards you, like inward, and open the shoulders more. Look up. And release. Come back into Sukhasana where we started. Inhale, twist. Inhale again. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, hands on your knees. Round your back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, stay. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands to the front of your heart. That's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to write below what I asked you during the session. Hit the like button and subscribe. I want to see you again. Bye. Namaste.